ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय काण्व शाखीय बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद द्वितीय अध्याय अजातशत्रु ब्राह्मण। The question was, prana is abhokta because prana did not respond when the names of the prana were uttered. Brihad, Pandarvasa, Somaraja, ityadi. Therefore, it is understood prana is not Chaitanya, abhokta. So, in Tika we saw pranasya abhoktritvam uktam upasamharati. तस्मात् प्राप्तानां शब्दादीनां अप्रतिबोधात् अभोक्तृ स्वभाव इति निश्चीयते। प्राणस्य अभोक्तृ स्वभाव। व्हाई? प्राप्तानां शब्दादीनां अप्रतिबोधात्, it did not respond. Further, स्वामी जी कौन? यद्यपि टीका, यद्यपि प्राणः स्वापे शब्दादीन् न प्रतिबुध्यते तथापि भोक्तृ स्वभावो भविष्यति। यद्यपि प्राणः स्वापे इन सुषुप्ति शब्दादि न प्रतिबुध्यते, पूर्व पक्षी से स्टिल इट कैन बी भोक्ता, मीन्स स्टिल इट कैन बी चैतन्य, व्हाई नॉट? सिद्धांत सेज न नहीं यस्य यह स्वभावो निश्चितः स तम व्यभिचरति कदाचिदपि। If it was Chaitanya Swabhava and it did not have Pratibodhanam, that is not possible. If it was Chaitanya Swabhava, it would have heard. Satam yasya ya swabhava nishchitah sa na vyabhicharati. Acha, on this page in Bhashya, those two shabdas, second line, Dagdhri Swabhavaha, Prakashayitra Swabhavaha. The Vigraha will be Dagdha Swabhavo Yasya, Saha Dagdhri Swabhavaha. Dagdha, you have to make it Prathama only. Swabhavo Yasya. Similarly, Prakashayita Swabhavo Yasya. But if we say Pitambaram, Pitambaraha, Pitam Ambaram Yasya, Saha Pitambaraha. So there we do put it in Dvitiya, but Swamiji said it will be in Prathama. So I still have to discuss. But for now, you leave it this way. So similarly in this Tika, Bhoktru Swabhavaha Bhavishyati, that Shabda is there. Bhokta Swabhavo Yasya, Saha Bhoktru Swabhavaha. संबोधन अतः सिद्धम प्राणस्य अभोक्तृत्वम. अतः मीन्स संबोधन शब्द अश्रवणम मीन्स संबोधन शब्द अश्रवणात् प्राणस्य अभोक्तृत्वं सिद्धम. प्राण इज नॉट भोक्ता. व्हाई? बिकॉज इट डिड नॉट hear and did not respond. Now a purva paksha can come. It can happen that you didn't hear. You still can be chaitanya swabhava. It's not necessary because anyatra mana abhuvam, my mind was somewhere else. So like that shanka will be there. टीका. तस्य स्वनाम अग्रहणम संबंध अग्रहण कृतम न अनात्मत्व कृतम इति शंकते. This is the shanka. That swanama agrahanam happened. Why? Sambandha agrahana. I did not have sambandha with that shabda. Sambandha agrahana kritam swanama agrahanam. Na anatmatva kritam. Not because he is achetana, therefore he did not hear. Because sambandha did not happen with that shabda. संबोध भाष्य संबोधनार्थ नाम विशेषेण संबंध अग्रहणात् अप्रतिबोध इति चेत. संबोधनार्थ नाम विशेषेण संबंध अग्रहणात्. संबोधन अर्थ नाम विशेष बृहद पांडरवासा, all these names. So sambandha did not happen. Therefore there was apratibodha. Purvapakshi says. Iti ched. Shankam vishadayati. Now Shanka itself is elaborated. So next, so 3 sentences are Shanka. Then in 4th line there is na in Bhashya. So up to that this doubt is there. Yesterday there was some other discussion for those who were not part of the discussion. Prana Shabda is generally used for Hiranyagarbha. Gargya, his thinking is that this Saguna Brahma means Hiranyagarbha is Atma, whose upasana is done. Generally in Veda, that upasana is given. So Gargya thinks that is the final teaching. Like how in Chandogya, Narada, Shanat Kumara Samvada, he thinks prana is final. After that, yo pranena vadati sa ativadi bhavati. He thinks this is enough. Then he is told, no, this is not enough. Similar to that here also. And if we keep that in mind, then all other upasanas can be justified. Because all upasanas have one aspect of that Hiranyagarbha. Surya, Chandra, Akasha, this, that, everything. Only prana cannot be Brahma. So wherever this prana name comes, like Brihat. Brihat means Vyapaka. Vyapakatvam of Hiranyagarbha can be understood. This prana is so parichinna. Its Brihat Nama itself is not justified. Syad etat in Bhashya. Yatha bahushu asineshu swanama visheshena sambandha agrahanaat माम अयम संबोधयति इति शृण्वन् अपि संबोध्यमानो विशेषतो न प्रतिपद्यते. स्यात् एतत्, it can happen. Purvapakshi himself is explaining his argument. How? Yatha bahushu asineshu, when lot of people are sitting, swanama visheshena, sambandha agrahanat, somebody called his name, Devadatta, and Devadatta is talking to somebody or thinking of something. Sambandha agrahanat, mam ayam sambodhayati iti shrunvan api. He heard, but nothing happened. Sambodhyamano visheshato na pratipathyate. विशेषतः प्रतिबोधनम डिड नॉट हैपन, ज्ञानम डिड नॉट टेक प्लेस, न प्रतिपद्यते. तथा इमानी बृहन् इति एवं आदीनि मम नामानि इति अगृहीत संबंधत्वात् प्राणो न गृह्णाति संबोधनार्थम शब्दम न तु अविज्ञातृत्वात् एव इति चेत्. तथा मीन्स तस्मात् इमानी बृहन् iti evam adini, so all these names, Brihan, Pandarvasa, etc. Mama namani iti agrihita sambandhatva. He did not, Prana did not connect that these are all my names. Prana means this pramata. At Vyashti, Hiranyagarbha, at Samashti, at Vyashti it is pramata. So Prana na grinhati. And that entire pramata is not available in Sushupti. Only one representative of that pramata, prana, is available. Antakarana is not, Indriyas are not, only prana is available. Because all of that is Sukshma Sharira. So prano na grinhati sambodhanartham shabdam. Natu avijñatratvateva. Not because it is avijñata, means achetana. Iti ched. Siddhanti said na. Tika. Devatayaha sambandha agrahanam ayuktam. Sarvajñatvat. This devata will not have sambandha is not possible. Why? Because it is sarvajña. Tika. Bhashya. देवता अभ्युपगमे अग्रहण अनुपपत्ते. If you accept it as devata, once you know it is devata, then devata abhyupagame agrahana is not possible. Means grahanam should happen. Why? Because devatas are sarvajña. So here again devata means you have to understand Hiranyagarbha only. Further you see, yasya hi in bhashya. तदेव प्रपंचयति यस्य हि चंद्रादि अभिमानिनी देवता अध्यात्मं प्राणो भोक्ता अभ्युपगम्यते तस्य तया संव्यवहाराय विशेष नामना संबंधो अवश्यम ग्रहीतव्यो अन्यथा आह्वानादि विषये संव्यवहारो अनुपपन्नः स्यात्. देवता अभ्युपगमे अग्रहण अनुपपत्ति. यस्य हि चंद्रादि अभिमानिनी देवता. दिस चंद्र आदि अभिमानिनी देवता वादिनो मते. यस्य मीन्स फॉर दैट वादी. चंद्रादि अभिमानी देवता अध्यात्मम प्राण एंड एट व्यष्टि लेवल इट इज प्राण भोक्ता अभ्युपगम्यते. भोक्ता मीन्स कर्ता भोक्ता यू हैव टू टेक. और भोक्ता मीन्स ही थिंक्स इट इज चैतन्य. दैट वे आल्सो यू कैन टेक. अभ्युपगम्यते तस्य तया संव्यवहाराय विशेष नामना संबंधो अवश्यम गृहीतव्यो, संबंधो तया अवश्यम गृहीतव्यो। तया देवतया, by that devata, संबंध ग्रहण should happen. Means once you take it as that devata who is सर्वज्ञ, then संबंध should be there. अन्यथा, अन्यथा what will happen? See in भाष्य in टीका first. तया इति ग्रहण कर्तृ निर्देशः. तया means by that ग्रहण कर्ता, ग्रहण कर्ता. अवश्यम इति सूचिताम अनुपपत्तिम आह. अवश्यम, अवश्यम ग्रहीतव्यो, संबंध ही शुड हैव. आदिपदेन याग स्तुति नमस्कारादि गृह्यते. अन्यथा आह्वानादि विषय, आह्वन याग स्तुति नमस्कार. इफ ही इज देवता, you do yaga, Indraya Swaha, Indra didn't hear, it will not work. You do it, they have to listen. Why? They are devatas. Yaga Stuti Namaskar. You say, I am doing Namaskar. So, Vyakti, if it is there, somebody is doing something, somebody does Namaskar, that is different. But in this case, if they are Devata, you do Namaskar, they will have to accept, they will have to bless you also. Samvyavaharo, otherwise in all these vishays, Samvyavaharo Anupapannaha Syat. So in Bhashya, in Tika, Samvyavaharo Abhignya Bhoga Prasadadihi. So, if you do bhoga or if they have to give prasada, abhignya means calling out by name. All of that vyavahar will not be possible. What is that shloka? Vigraho havisham bhoga. Vigraha havisham bhoga. Phaladhatritvam. 5 are there. They are the things that devatas will have. Devata will have vigraha. Devata will do bhoga of your havihi. This shloka we have seen before. ऐश्वर्यत्वं प्रसन्नता. विग्रहो हविषां भोगः ऐश्वर्यत्वं प्रसन्नता फलदातृत्वं पंचकम विग्रहादिकम. फलदान फलदातृत्व. So these are there in the Devata Vigraha. This is there in Brahma Sutra. Devata Adhikarana is there. Mimamsaka Devata Adhikarana and Vedantis Devata Adhikarana is different on these 5 principles. They don't accept, we accept. They say Devatas don't have Vigraha only. Devata is Mantra Rupa. Vigraho Havisham Bhogaha Aishwaryam ऐश्वर्य ऐश्वर्यत्वम्
ऐश्वर्यं च
ऐश्वर्यत्वं प्रसन्नता
ऐश्वर्यं च प्रसन्नता
ऐश्वर्यं च प्रसन्नता फलदातृत्वं
फलदान फलदानम् इत्येतत् पञ्चकं विग्रह
Did I give फलदानम? This is somewhere online. It is wrong. No, I had given this is there in Tippani in Brahadaranyaka. Earlier we have seen this first chapter. Online versions sometimes there is no pramanya. Or there could be some Patha Bheda, that is possible. See further. Sambodhana Nama Agrahas Tatkrita Anatmatva Doshascha Tvad Ishta Atmanopi Tulya Iti Shankate. Yesterday this question came. Okay. Brihan, Pandaravasa, Somaraja. These names were uttered. Prana did not respond. Therefore, Prana is Achetana. Atma also didn't respond. Therefore, Atma is also, that is the dosha, he says. Sambodhana nama agraha tatkrita anatmatva dosha. Because Sambodhana nama agrahana happened, and therefore it is anatma. This dosha was given. Tvad ishta atmanopi tulya. Your ishta atma is, you are saying, Satchidananda Atma. But there also it is tulya, dosha. Iti shankate. भाष्य व्यतिरिक्त पक्षे अपि खंडाकार you can put व्यतिरिक्त पक्षे अपि अप्रतिपत्तेरयुक्तम इति चेत व्यतिरिक्त व्यतिरिक्त पक्ष means गार्ग्य अभिमत आत्म व्यतिरिक्त पक्ष is अजात शत्रु. In that पक्ष also this is same problem. अप्रतिपत्ते that Atma did not say anything. Ayuktam iti ched means its Atmatvam is also ayuktam. Sangrihitam chodyam vivranoti. So this sangrihita artha he explains. Yasya cha prana vyatirikto bhokta tasyapi brihan ityadi नामभिः संबोधने बृहत्वादि नामनाम तदा तद विषयत्वात् प्रतिपत्तिर युक्ता यस्य च प्राण व्यतिरिक्तो भोक्ता इन हुज मत अजात शत्रुज मत प्राण व्यतिरिक्त इस चैतन्य तस्य अपि बृहन इत्यादि नामभिः संबोधने दैट आत्मा वाज addressed by these names बृहत्वादि नामना तदा तद विषयत्वात् इति विषय of that sambodhana means he is the one who is addressed. Devadatta Nama, what is the Vishaya of Devadatta Nama? Devadatta Vyakti. Tad Vishayatvat Pratipatti hi Yukta. He should have responded. Pratipatti should have happened. Tika. Tada means Sushupti Dashayam. Pratipattir Yukta iti sambandha. तद विषयत्वात् इति अतिरिक्त आत्म विषयत्वात् इति यावत्. तद विषयत्वात् means the अतिरिक्त आत्मा means गार्ग्य प्रतिपादित आत्म व्यतिरिक्त आत्मा तस्य विषयत्वात् आत्म विषयत्वात् इति यावत्. अस्य नहीं अस्ति एव अतिरिक्तस्य आत्मनः संबोधन श्रवणम इति चेत. And it is not that Atma did not hear. If Prana is supposed to hear, Atma also heard. अस्ति एव अतिरिक्तस्य आत्मनः संबोधन श्रवणम् इति चेत्, तो दिस इज पूर्व पक्ष. नेत्याः न च कदाचिदपि बृहत्वादि शब्दैः संबोधितः प्रतिपद्यमानो दृश्यते. दिस इज फर्स्ट आर्ग्युमेंट. कदाचिदपि आत्मा इज नेवर एड्रेस्ड बाय दीज वर्ड्स. बृहत्, पांडरवास, सोमराजन एक्सेट्रा. कदाचिदपि बृहत्वादि शब्दैः आत्मा प्रतिपद्यमानो न दृश्यते. It is never addressed by those names. तस्माद् अकारणम् अभोक्तृत्वे संबोधन अप्रतिपत्तिः. संबोधन अप्रतिपत्तिः. तस्माद् अकारणम् अभोक्तृत्वे संबोधन अप्रतिपत्तिः. सीधी वाक्य है. अकारणम् अभोक्तृत्वे संबोधन अप्रतिपत्ति. If संबोधन प्रतिपत्ति would happen, if संबोधन प्रतिपत्ति would happen, then what would be the nigamanam? It is bhokta, means chaitanya, right? So bhoktritve संबोधन प्रतिपत्ति ही कारणम. अकारणम अभोक्तृत्वे संबोधन अप्रतिपत्ति. Correct? Understood this? How vakya is put? Bhashyakar. Okay, let's see टीका now. त्वद इष्ट आत्मनः संबोधन शब्द अप्रतिपत्तावपि भोक्तृत्व अंगीकारस् तच्छब्दार्थः. त्वद इष्ट आत्मनः संबोधन शब्द अप्रतिपत्तौ. त्वद इष्ट आत्मा मीन्स the अजात शत्रु. इष्ट आत्मा is चैतन्य, मूल शुद्ध चैतन्य. संबोधन शब्द अप्रतिपत्तौ. It did not hear anything. अप्रतिपत्तावपि भोक्तृत्व अंगीकारः. Still it is भोक्ता. तत् शब्दार्थः. Which is तत्? तस्मात् is given. That is तत्. अभोक्तृत्वे प्राणस्य इति शेषः. Prana is abhokta because it did not respond. Atma is bhokta. It also didn't respond. Simple argument. Now see how he explains. Prana is identified with one aspect. Atma is identified with all. Identified with as if it has abhimana of all. So when the names are given of something which is only one aspect, then the one who is abhimani of the entire thing, he will not respond. Like if Devadatta is called hand, legs, hasta, pada, Devadatta is not going to respond because he is samashti abhimani, not only hand or leg. That is this line. Yatha hastah, padah, angulihi ityadi namoktau maitro na uttishtati. If you call by these names, Maitra is not going to wake up. Na uttishtati. Why? Sarva deha abhimanitve tan matra anabhimanitvat. He is sarva deha abhimani. Means he is abhimani of hasta, pada, anguli, shiraha, everything. Sarvadeha means samasta deha. Tanmatra anabhimanitva. He is not abhimani of only one aspect. Tanmatra anabhimanitvat. एवं काश्य इष्ट आत्मनः सर्व कार्य करण अभिमानित्वात् अंगुली स्थानीय प्राणमात्रे तदभावात् तन्नाम अग्रहणम न तु अचेतनत्वात् इति परिहरति. काश्य इष्ट आत्मा इज सर्व कार्यकरण अभिमानित्वात्. Sarva means in that one body. Actually, Sarva is for all. But here, for Drishtanta sake, that if the Abhimana is of the Samasta Karyakarana, Hasta, Pada, Anguli, they are only Avayava. Avayava names, when they are called, Avayavi is not going to respond. This is the Drishtanta Dashtanta Samya. So Sarva Karya Karana Abhimanitvat Anguli Sthaniya Prana. Prana is Anguli Sthaniya. Prana Matre Tadabhavat. Tadabhavat Sarva Karya Karana Abhimana is not there. Right? That is the Tippani. Abhimana Abhava. Samasta Abhimana is not there. So it is not able to recognize, oh, this is for me. Only one part is addressed. Tan nama agrahanam. Therefore, Atma did not respond. Natu achetanatva. Not because it is achetana. Iti pariharati. Bhashyakar has all arguments lined up. हाँ.
उनको पोंगू बोलकर कोई बुलाया तो तब तो वो तो तब तक मुझे देख रहे मतलब मुझे हाथ हाथ बोलो बोलो मुझको नहीं देखा बल्कि एक व्यक्ति पोंगू है सबको अंदर बैठे हुए एक पोंगू जैसे व्यक्ति कोई बुलाया तब तो लोग मुझको बोलते हाँ कॉन्सेप्ट है मुझे पोंगू बोला वो तो एक पार्ट है पोंगू ना तभी किसी आँख नहीं
हाँ.
वो तो मतलब अंदर है
हाँ.
सबके अंदर में कोई बोला वो अंदर व्यक्ति तब तो वो मुझका देखता है मुझको पता चलता है वही अंदर है.
तो अंध वो अवयवी है, वो अवयव नहीं है. मतलब अक्षर यस्य न विद्यते सह उसको बताया गया है जिसकी आंख नहीं है. तो मतलब कहीं भी अवयव इन द एग्जाम्पल अवयव अवयवी भेद is shown. That if avayava is addressed, avayavi will not respond. So here, if Purvapakshi said by these names, why Atma did not respond if he is Bhokta? He said because those names are not where he has Abhimana, only in one. He has Samasta Abhimana. But still it is not everything. Because Samasta Karana Sharira Abhimana is not there in Hiranyagarbha. That way you can take. Bhashya. Na. Tadvat Tadvatas Tavan Matra Abhimana Anupapattehe. Tadvataha. Tadvan, the one who is Karyakarana Sanghatavataha. Pranatirikta आत्मनः प्राण मात्र अभिमानित्व अनुपपत्ते है. तद्वतः तावन मात्र अभिमान अनुपपत्ते है. So the one who is कार्यकरण संघातवान, he will not have abhimana only in ekadesha. Means he can have. It's not must. like somebody has, let's say we all have 20 avayavas, but somebody has abhimana in one avayava more than all other. Is it possible? Just to give drashta, let's say somebody has long hair and they have lot of abhimana, whether it is sannyasi or otherwise. Long hair, grahasthas also, those who jata is there, and they love shaking their head and hair going this way, that way, and they think, oh, my entire identification is with hair. For hair cutting, they will go to special places and so many things. It means ekadesha tadatmya is possible, but here don't take apavada, take samanya niyama. तदेव स्फुटयति यस्य प्राण व्यतिरिक्तो भोक्ता स प्राणादिकरणवान प्राणी तस्य न प्राण देवता मात्रे अभिमानो यथा हस्ते यस्य प्राण व्यतिरिक्तो भोक्ता यस्य अजात शत्रु आदि मते. तो those who say that prana vyatiriktha is chaitanya, so then his understanding is, I am not prana, I am prani. Pranadi karanavan saha prani. Right? So even when you do pranayama, what you should understand? I am not prana, I am prani, the owner or drashta of this prana. That is even better. Because dragdrashya part was already explained earlier. Right? Tasya na prana devata matra abhimana. Yatha haste. Then he will not have abhimana only in one aspect. Tika. Prana matre pranadi karanavato abhimana abhave phalitamaha. Prana matre pranadi karanavataha abhimana abhave. When that abhimana is not there, what is the phalitam? Tasmat प्राण नाम संबोधने कृत्स्नाभिमानिनो युक्तैव अप्रतिपत्तिः. प्राण नाम संबोधने कृष्ण अभिमानिनो युक्ता एव अप्रतिपत्ति. So he will not respond because the names were only of prana. टीका. चंद्रस्य अपि प्राणैक देशत्वात् तन्नामभिः संबोधने कृष्ण अभिमानी स न उत्तिष्ठति. चंद्र is also prana ekadesha. So तन्नामभिः संबोधने, it is that Pandarvasa etc. are ekadesha of prana. So तन्नामभिः संबोधने कृष्ण अभिमानी सह न उत्तिष्ठति. अत्र अपि अंगुल्यादि दृष्टांत उपपत्तेः. Who is saying this? Purvapakshi. He says, just like you are saying, Maitra doesn't get up because Angulyadi is only Avayava. Chandradi are also Avayava of Hiranyagarbha. So names were only of Chandra. Chandrasya api prana ekadeshatvat. Now here prana has to be Hiranyagarbha. Chandra is ekadesha of prana. So the names of the Chandrama, he has samasta abhimana, so he will not wake up. इति आशंक्याः न तु प्राणस्य साधारण नाम संयोगे, but it is प्राणस्य साधारण नाम also. 6 नंबर टिप्पणी. अप्रतिपत्तिः युक्ता इति अन्वयः. प्राणस्य साधारण नाम संयोगे अप्रतिपत्तिः युक्ता इति अन्वयः. न तो प्राणस्य साधारण नाम संयोगे अप्रतिपत्ति ही युक्ता. इन दिस वे. टीका.
स्वामी जी.
हाँ,
साधारण नाम असंयोगे. सॉरी स्वामी.
6 नंबर टिप्पणी. टीका. गोत्ववत् तस्य सर्ववस्तुषु समाप्तेः अहमिति सर्वत्र अभिमान संभवात्. चंद्र नाम उक्तावपि न अप्रतिपत्ति ही युक्ता। गोत्व is there in सर्व वस्तुषु समाप्ते है, it is there in all go. So aham iti sarvatra abhimana sambhavat, Chandra nama also he should have pratipatti, not apratipatti. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharya Keshavam Badarayana Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्ति भेद विभागिने व्योमवद् व्याप्त देहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति।